delete the current workflow and create a new one. Press the New button on the top left corner of the toolbar. Click OK and the program will set up the new workspace. If you click the Open Workflow button, a screen shows the list of workflows you have been working on. If you haven't opened the workflow before, click Search, and you can go to the path where you saved it. To save the workflow, click the Save button, and your workflow and workflow result image will be saved. The Save As button is next to the Save button. Set your directory and workflow name, then click Save. If the connection with RnPython is unintentionally terminated, or if the operation takes a long time, or if there is an infinite loop, click the terminator. Then press the Session Termination Init button to reset the connection with RnPython. If you go to Command Light, you can see the connection has been terminated. If you press Run All Task again, the operation will be executed without any errors. You can check that the task has been executed in Command Light. Click Rename Task, and you will see the list of current tasks. The left column shows the original name. You can rename the task by erasing the name on the right column and writing the new name. Click OK, and you can find the names have been changed. Also, you can search for task names and check the names to make a filter. Alternatively, you can go to the Text Filters tab and search for names that begin with, end with, or contain certain letters. You can manually edit the filter by clicking the Edit Filter button. Select a task and click Delete Task link to delete it. Or simply press Delete on your keyboard. To select multiple tasks, press Ctrl key on the keyboard and click the icons. You can delete the link without deleting the tasks. You can also click and drag around multiple tasks to select them. To make your workflow look better, you can select the icons and arrange them horizontally or vertically. After arranging the icons, draw the links. Press the Ctrl key and scroll up and down to zoom in or zoom out. If you click the button on the top left corner, you can zoom your workflow to 100%. You can search for the task by typing the name in the search box under Task Toolbox. The list of folders containing the tasks will show up. When an error occurs, the program stops working, and the red cross icon appears instead of the green check mark. Click the icon in the workflow execution status, and you can see the execution log. The calculated workflow result is on the workflow result. To generate the EDA report and data diagnostic report, select the data frame and click the Generate Report button. You can also get the summary of the data by clicking Draw Descriptive. When drawing the plots, you can select or unselect all variables. After you draw the plot, click on it to get a bigger image of the graph. Select the plot type, data frame, and variables to draw a plot. New box plots are created. You can find if there are any missing data or duplicate data. To run the correlation, go to the Correlation Analysis tab and select the data frame and variables. When drawing the pivot chart, drag and drop the variables to the field in the table. Change the settings in Pivot Options. The data frames you created can be found in the command Light. You can write or edit your own codes. Select the scripts and press Run Script. The objects can also be deleted. The name of task information should not contain spaces. Special characters are not allowed except for underscores. When special characters are included, the program does not run, even when it shows no error sign.